Are you looking for Phelan, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. Check out this Phelan, California home tour. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Phelan, California, or if you just started thinking about moving to Phelan, California. If you find these videos to be a time saver, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I know what videos to keep making. My name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Phelan, California real estate agent for Exp Realty. Okay, you've seen the outside of the house, lots of nice landscaping. It's the end of the dead-end street, it's on a paved street, huge lot, 2 acres or so. Nice big workshop to the left of me, plenty of parking in the driveway for guests. Let's go inside and check out the inside. Nice big open kitchen, liking the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. As you know, one of my favorites, being a dad raising kids, you gotta be able to see the kids. Can sit here and working in the kitchen, looking out, seeing the kids playing in the backyard. Backyard's all fenced, huge backyard, very cool layout. Great sized family room, easy to see from the kitchen, from the other living room. Nice cozy wood burner. Everything inside looks like new. Flooring, countertops, walls all painted nice. Everything's clean and perfect. Don't know what else you could ask for. This shop is amazing. Most of you guys who know me know that I'm a hot rod guy, a car guy. Gosh, I don't know how many hot rods I could fit in here. Probably more than I can afford to buy. Anyway, crane overhead already set up. It's probably 15 feet clearance under it for pulling motors or anything heavy. There's an office area in the back that has storage above it and a staircase going up to the back to put stuff on the top, so you have the full width of the shop for storage, about maybe 12 feet out. To get in here, you could get a bus, a semi, I don't know what you'd put in here that's bigger than these doors. Probably nothing. Probably the only thing wouldn't fit in here is a DC-10. I think overall this warehouse mechanic shop is probably somewhere around 2,200 square feet. Bottom line, the place is amazing.